Okay, 2005, or I'm sorry, 8 HHR. This thing's going to need a wiper transmission motor assembly. I know that because when she come home, this one wasn't working. Well, I took the cap off and you can see that this is moving along with it. So it's broke. Plus I tried to tighten it. It's 15 mil. So first of all, I'll show you how to take these off. Let's take this 15 off. Now you need a battery terminal puller in order to get this thing off. Otherwise you will break this trying to get it off. I've seen it happen. And they are hard sometimes to get off. Goodness gracious. There it goes, okay. That off. The same with this. Now this cap's on here and there's a little thing as you can see right there. Just take the little screwdriver, get her in there, and that's how you get that off. Same thing, take the 15 off. Very simple, you can do it yourself instead of paying a fortune at a shop. See if I can grab it like I did that one. Sweet. Okay. Take these, put them on the hood. Okay. Now these are, you'll need a 7 mil. Rip these things out. It's 4 of them, I think. I would use air, but I like to listen to the music while I'm working. Now I don't have the part. I'll have to probably get it tomorrow. I don't know if it's a dealer part or I'll find out tomorrow, but Show you how to rip it down, how easy it is. And you're going to take this cowl off in order to get to it. There we go. Just be careful with it. Shake it around a little bit. Okay, so it's connected here. So just take any tool and get it off there. Actually, I'm going to show you something different. Take your little screwdriver. Instead of breaking that, get it in there. Yeah, take your screwdriver like this, get her in there. Right off. Okay, good. Oh boy. I'm just going to rip this one off. I'm tired of it. Now, here's where you want to be careful. You're going to want to take it off right here. Remember where it goes. Okay, pull this off. It's stuck over here on that, so you just take that off. Good enough. Take her out. Put it up on the hood. Alright, here we go. See, it came off right there. That's what happens to a lot of cars, you know, G6s and things like that. So we're going to have to get one, probably from the factory. I mean, from the dealer. So anyhow, to take this off, it's real simple. Just these 10 mils. Unplug it back here. So you can't really, okay, I can feel it right there. You push it on the back of it and pull it out. It's that simple. I don't have it to show you how to put it back on. I'm going to get it tomorrow, but just take these 3 10s out, put it back in, and plug it in, and put your wipers back on. Reverse procedure. Perfect. Easy, easy. You can do it yourself. Guarantee it.